On top of your video, add the text plus. Select the text plus and go to the inspector. Change the text, font and size. Then add 2 keyframes to the right on, like in my example. Add your text below your video. Select the video and change the composite mode to darken. Change the text style to be as big as possible using the inspector. Add the digital glitchy title. Change the text and you're ready to go. In Fusion, add your text and change the style in the inspector. Add a soft glow and play with the threshold, gain and glow size. Add a flicker addition. Type should be gain, then change range, speed, softness, randomness, scale and pause length. In Fusion, add the text and change the style. Add mask paint. In the inspector, invert the mask. Select a single brush and let's change some settings. Change the stroke animation to be right on. Let's remove the text carefully, having the mouse down. Uncheck the invert and let's fix the animation using the keyframes. Select your stroke, right click and use time stretching to reduce the duration of the animation. In Fusion, add your text and change the style and position. Add mirrors and change the angle and the position from the inspector. Add a rectangle mask and change the position and soft edge. Add Gaussian blur and add another rectangle mask. In Fusion, add text, reposition and change the style. Add displace. Then add fast noise. Connect fast noise to displace in this exact way. Keyframe the seed rate and change the scale. Add the text plus on top of your video and change the text and style. Go to layout and change the type to circle. Play with width and increase the size if needed. I will reposition the text. Final touch, let's add the keyframes to rotate the text. From effects, add solid color and change the color. Duplicate this multiple times and change the color again. I have 3 colors. Add the text on top and change the composite mode to difference. Duplicate the text multiple times and change the text. Add the text and change the style. Duplicate the video layer and open the color page. Make the background transparent. and mask the subject using the magic mask. Abracadabra.